Hey guys, what's up? It's Mercedes Michelle. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Today's video is going to be on this Disney DIY autograph book. I got this notebook from my local Dollar Tree, and I just turned the front cover to the back so that lined paper can be facing the back and the solid white paper could be facing the front. And I'm just going to decorate the front cover and back cover Disney related. Today is going to be focused on the princess divider. So in order for me to know what sections I need to turn to when we are at the park, I decided to do dividers. So we're going to have like a princess section, a Mickey section, a movie section, Disney Junior section, all of that. But today we're going to focus on Cinderella's autograph page. And I have these stickers from the Dollar Tree that I picked up. So each character will have two sides, so the lined paper side and the plain side. Like I said, the lined paper side is going to get covered up with cardstock, so we're going to focus on the actual blank white side that the autograph will be on. The other side, you can use it for like a picture or, just decorations related to that character. So right now I'm just taking some silver washi tape and I'm using this to bling out Cinderella's autograph paper. You don't want to do too much. You still want them to have space to actually sign. And since I'm using a really small book for Malaya's autograph, and that's simply because we are traveling via plane and we are going to try to stick to just taking a personal item. So I don't want to have too much stuff to pack and take on to our flight. So I'm trying to keep everything minimalistic but still get the full experience and allow Malaya to have her own little autograph book so she can keep forever. So right now I'm just decorating Cinderella's page. I'm not doing too much, but just making it cute. That little circle sticker there is from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a sticker of Cinderella. I'm using the silver washi tape to kind of line the page. You guys, I am so excited for this Disney trip. Not just the trip itself, but the decorating, the DIYs that come with it, the financial planning, all of the content that I'm going to be able to create for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to document as much as possible, especially the DIYs on a budget. If you guys don't know, my channel was strictly DIYs when I first started it, and those were actually my most popular videos. But I kind of, steered away from that, but I'm getting back to it and it's definitely exciting. So this autograph book was like right up my alley, and I'm glad that I found it and thought about doing it for Malaya. So I'm just showing you guys some stickers that I'm using. I laid down the glass slipper that represents Cinderella, and I am going to put down a foil sticker of Cinderella. I was going to use these, but I'm just going to wait and use those on the other side. And I'm just going to take a regular foil sticker and kind of place it off to the side so that she will still have room to sign on the page. And then I'm going to go in and lay down a couple more stickers. I may add later, and if I do, I'll of course update you guys. But for now, I'm just laying down 2 heart stickers with the blue outline that represents Cinderella. And then we'll later decorate the other side. So we're going to move on to the Princess Divider tab. And this tab is just going to, remind me where the princesses are in the autograph book. So we're going to decorate that to represent all the princesses. So I am taking some gold foil background that literally was a background of a picture sticker. When you take out a sticker, you have that lining in the background. That is exactly what that was. So you just utilize and work with what you have. And I'm going to take this sticker here from the Dollar Tree that says Enchanted Awaits, I believe. And it just represents princesses and all of that. So I decided to lay that down on the divider cover page for the princesses. Then I'm going to go in and just lay down some princesses. So we have Cinderella, and then I'm putting down Belle. I'm removing this princess washi tape that I picked up from the Dollar Tree because it had writing on this particular strip and I didn't like it. So I went ahead and replaced it with gold glitter washi tape. Now I'm just taking some more of the princesses from the Dollar Tree sticker book, and here you have Rapunzel, and I'm going to lay her down as well. You just want to put down as many princesses that you like or however you want to decorate the page. I'm just here to give you guys some ideas. That is Ariel going down, and now I'm just putting that washi tape down as well. And I'm going to cut it out so that it aligns with the actual book. And that is my princess divider. And I'm just going in and showing you guys that you can decorate the top however you choose. And I'm showing you guys all the princesses that we do plan on getting autographs from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy autograph DIY book. If you have any questions, always feel free to comment down below. And if you guys want to see updates on the autograph book, then definitely let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.